Good day guys, welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your default browser to Google Chrome. So guys, you know probably that when you install a browser, you will get actually a prompt to set this new downloaded fresh browser as default, but maybe if for some reason you've had Opera and then you want to use a Firefox, or in our case it's Chrome, and change this browser and make it your default, we actually need to go ahead and navigate to our settings. So in here, you just need to go ahead and type in default. Okay, and in here we need to find default apps. And now, as you can see, you can set defaults to your applications. So in here, we just need to choose and find our Chrome. So let me find the Chrome, should be here somewhere. All right, Google Chrome. And as you can see, you need to make sure to click Make Google Chrome your default browser, okay? So just press on Set as Default. There you go. And previously you actually had to, as you can see, set default file types, so pretty much set your default HTML opening, link opening and all that stuff. You don't need to do that anymore. Just default tabs, find Chrome and set it as default. And if you wish to revert back, right, for example, to Firefox, open up Firefox, and you can set it to your default. So whatever you wish to do is, of course, possible. So that's it for this video, guys. Enjoy browsing in Chrome, and thank you for watching.